How to turn on Bumble notification. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you on activating the Bumble notifications so you can easily do this by following the simple steps. First of all, begin by opening the Bumble app on your device and ensure that you're signed into your specific account, providing you the access to all the features and updates. Locate and tap on the profile icon, usually found positioned at the bottom left hand corner of the screen, granting you the access to your personalized settings and information. Once you're in the profile section, proceed by tapping on the settings icon, which is typically situated at the top right hand corner of the screen. As you enter the settings menu, scroll down gradually until you reach the notification settings section, where you can fine tune and manage how you wish to be notified. Within the notification settings, you will find the option to toggle on the push notifications for the different purposes, ensuring that you are promptly alerted to relevant updates and interactions. Additionally, take the opportunity to delve deeper into your notification preference, as you might want to further customize how and when you want to receive the notifications to suit your individual needs and preference. By following the simple, straightforward steps, you will now successfully enable the Bumble notifications, staying informed and engaged with the platform. So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.